Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be just a simple clean and laundry with me. But first, as always, coffee. I am making my iced oat milk latte here, and it is the absolute best. It helps me get all the things accomplished during the day. Stick around. I hope you enjoyed the video.
I bet you think that I should calm down, and that I'm overthinking everything about you, and that we're good the way we are. But I don't know that much about you, what things you like and what you don't. It's not that long since I met you for the first time. You know we should work it out. You know we should work it out. Before I'm too invested, I should probably ask you all my questions, get to know you better. Like, can you be trusted? Will you take me for granted? And will you let me down? I know I'm feeling something for you. The way you look, the way you laugh, and how you move. It kinda makes me go crazy. But we should take it slow, work things out so you don't let me go. When I come real close, I don't wanna get hurt, 'cause I'm not ready to give you my heart yet. Before I'm too invested.
I went to Safeway and I did like the drive-up thing like you can do at Walmart. But at Safeway here is like Walmart there. We don't really have a whole lot of the Walmart supercenters like we shop at back home in Arkansas. And so while we're here currently, we have to use Safeway. So went to Safeway, got my list, pulled up. They said their computer crashed. They didn't have half of our order, which was really frustrating. So she goes in to get me another bag of apples because she dropped the bag, and she comes back out with the other half of my order, and I was like, well, I thought this looked like a small order and I had gotten a lot of groceries. So have any of you ever ordered from like a click list type thing and only gotten one banana? Who uses one banana? I laughed so hard when I got that order and I saw my one banana. I was like, well, that was probably my mistake. So I looked back in it, and apparently they had a new guy doing it, is what she said. I had ordered 7 bananas, paid for 7 bananas, and I got 1 banana. So I'm gonna go back up there and try to get the rest of the bananas later. But I just thought that y'all would probably think that was kind of funny. So.
Know you better. Like, can you be trusted? Will you take me for granted? And will you let me down? Before I'm too invested, you should take it easy. Maybe we could test this and work out our feelings. Baby, when I love you, tell me, do you want me? And will you let me down? I'm somewhere in the middle, try to find myself again. But life is one big riddle of the future and what's been. Guess it's the way it goes, and I will never know why you let me go. Look to the left, look to the right, nothing can stop me in the night. Like I am leaving all the bad stuff and trying to remain so strong. I know it's good if I'm alone. I got it, I gotta go, running into better times. Go, from my emotions I'll go, running into better times, to better times, to better times. remember I was laughing in all the photos that you took, but now it looks like acting, like we were fiction in a book. Guess it's the way it goes, and I will never know why you let me go. Look to the left, look to the right, nothing can stop me in the night, like I'm leaving all the bad stuff and trying to remain so strong. I know it's good if I move on. I got it, I gotta go, 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 running into better times. Go, 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 from my emotions I'll go, 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 running into better times, to better times, to better times, to better times. The right, nothing can stop me, nothing can stop me in the night. Look to the left, look to the right, nothing can stop me in the night, like I'm leaving all the bad stuff. Go, 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 running into better times. Go, 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 from my emotions I'll go, 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 running into better times, to better times, to better times. Do you know I'm looking, and I can't help but smile? Do you know how much I love you? You put my favorite song on, I put my feet up, and we just sing along, and I can't help but feeling, just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here together? If I could stop the time, don't you know that I would? 'Cause I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? Forever, forever, forever. I watch you as you sleep. You don't know I'm looking. With you everything's complete. Do you know how much I love you? I put your favorite song on just to wake you up. When I dance around, I can't help but feeling, I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here together? If I could stop the time, don't you know that I would? 'Cause I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? Forever, forever, forever. I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment.
So if you ever think that you are killing the mom game, the clean game, you know, life in general, check under your couch cushions, because it's going to tell you the truth. And obviously, I am not doing so hot. Oh, it's disgusting. Look at that. Ugh. That's gross. Really? Fruit snacks, goldfish, crayons. Mom life. I'm gonna clean under there. Don't worry.
Loving this moment, can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment, can we stay here together? If I could stop the time, don't you know that I would? 'Cause I'm just loving this moment, can we stay here forever? Forever, forever, forever. I watch you as you drive. Do you know I'm looking? I bet you think that I should calm down, and that I'm overthinking everything about you, and that we're good the way we are. But I don't know.
So the couch looks much better. I vacuumed all the cushions, the back ones, the front ones, this part. And then I actually swapped the cushions around, so it looks a lot better, and it's much cleaner in here now. Chip, hey Bubba. So much better. Now it is time to fold some laundry.
Know that much about you, what things you like and what you don't. It's not that long since I met you for the first time. You know we should work it out. You know we should work it out. Before I'm too invested, I should probably ask you all my questions, get to know you better. Like, can you be trusted? Will you take me for granted? And will you let me down? I know I'm feeling something for you. The way you look, the way you laugh, and how you move. It kinda makes me go crazy. But we should take it slow, work things out so you don't let me go. When I come real close, I don't wanna get hurt, 'cause I'm not ready to give you my heart yet. Before I'm too invested, I should probably ask you all my questions, get to know you better. Like, can you be trusted? Will you take me for granted? And will you let me down? Before I'm too invested, we should take it easy. Maybe we could test this and work out our feelings. Baby, will I love you? Tell me, do you want me? And will you let me down? Yeah. La 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 Before I'm too invested, I should probably ask you all my questions, get to know you better. Like, can you be trusted? Will you take me for granted? And will you let me down? Before I'm too invested, we should take it easy. Maybe we could test this and work out our feelings. Baby, will I love you? Tell me, do you want me? And will you let me down?
Alright y'all, that about wraps up the video for today. Please don't forget to like and subscribe at the bottom. You can leave comments or questions down below if you have any for me, or any suggestions you may have for videos or content that you may want to see. I believe I cut the video off kind of short at the end. I believe my camera died. I'm not 100% sure. But thank you guys so much for watching. It means so much to have your support. And we will see you in the next video. Thanks, guys. Bye.